Well, new tonight, covering the price of paradise and the rising cost of property insurance.
Yeah, one Largo resident emailed us asking us to look into how that crisis is impacting people who live in mobile homes. That resident writing to us, quote, "The owners of mobile and manufactured homes are experiencing the same thing. I live," he says, in a 55-plus community where it's no longer affordable to have insurance. So tonight we sent ABC Action News reporter Nadine Yanes to hear her story.
Largo resident Terry Jones emailed us because she's been watching our coverage on Florida's fractured insurance market. She's seen people who live in single-family homes, their rates rise, people in condos nearly being priced out, but she says there is a story to tell when it comes to those who live in mobile homes, and she is sharing hers with us today. Inside Terry Jones's home, it's a quiet morning, making a cup of coffee in the place she and her husband chose to retire in just a few years ago.
This is our little home, and we want to stay here.
But now fears for their future due to rising insurance costs.
I pulled our premiums.
In 2022, her Citizens premium was $970. In 2023, it went up to more than $1,200. And now it's going up again to more than $1,300. Not huge hikes, but this year there's a caveat. Being on Citizens, she's forced to get flood insurance.
If we want flood insurance on our unit, it's an additional $1,000 on top of the $1,300.
So that is almost doubling since 2022.
Close, absolutely.
And that doesn't include increases in lot rent, she said.
To be able to afford the larger premiums, well, we have to dip into savings.
Terry has found other options that are quite literally hundreds of dollars of less, but another caveat here.
It's not going to cover wind, it's not going to cover hurricanes or windstorms or anything like that.
Is that a risk you're willing to take?
We haven't decided yet. That's a big risk, don't you think?
And it's because of that risk, insurance industry leaders say mobile and manufactured homes are feeling this insurance crisis even worse.
We see on average rate increases for manufactured homes are running 50 to 100%, so clearly above the standard.
And there aren't many companies even writing these policies, as explained by former Deputy Insurance Commissioner Lisa Miller.
I would venture to guess less than 10 in our state.
And the ones that are, like American Traditions, are still rising rates. They submitted another 26% hike for 12,000 mobile homes just last month.
I guess it is the risk you take. However, being abused by the premium cost is another story entirely.
And this week, I will be sitting down with Chief Financial Officer Jimmy Petronis on this very issue. His office oversees Florida's insurance market. Do you have any questions for our state leaders? Do you have an insurance story to tell? Go ahead, tell us about it. Get out your phone, scan this QR code. It'll take you to a form, fill it out, and then it will be sent directly to our team. In Largo, I'm Nadine Yanes.